Hi, welcome to the Strayos Academy. Today I'm going to be talking about how to toggle on the Rockmass AI for your project and how to view and interpret this information in the Strayos platform. Once you fly your bench and have made sure to take adequate pictures of the face, you'll navigate to the upload stage in the platform. Imagine we've entered all the information associated with our flight on the left. All we need to do is to be able to toggle on the Rockmass AI feature. That is shown here. I'm going to go back to our processed flight. So once it's finished processing with the Rockmass AI toggled on, we will go down to the bottom and we'll actually click on the Rockmass AI module. Now, a variety of different options will appear. If we want to look at the 2D StereoNet Rockmass information, we can toggle on the StereoNet and the specific information we're looking for, such as planes, lines, and pole to planes. So we will toggle that on. Go ahead and turn on the grids. We have the planes, the lines, and the pole to planes. So this visualization could be important in comparing a final high wall face to the slope stability plan that was decided by the engineering team, such as would be comprised in the maybe the feasibility study when the rock mass information was inputted and a final slope stability was decided for the mine. So we also have this information visualized in 3D. So if we navigate to the 3D, we can look at the 5 clusters that are auto-identified. I believe this is a more helpful visualization for the blasting community because it shows you exactly where the geology in your face differs. We conveniently cluster them together and give the dip direction, strike direction, and dip angle for the clusters. So we can just toggle some of those on as either lines or planes. We're going to do lines because once we toggle on a plane, it makes the visualization a little weird because it's for the entirety of the model. It's great for exporting, though, into maybe a different software package, such as something specific to slope stability at this point, or wherever your mine plan may be. So once we get the picture aligned with the information we want to show visually for both the lines and planes, we can click the buttons here at the bottom to save the viewing for the PDF, essentially taking a screenshot. So we'll go ahead and update the lines view. We'll toggle off our lines, and we will just toggle on one plane. We will update the planes view. And then now we will export the Rockmass report by clicking this button here at the bottom. So here we can see all the high-level report information as well as the relevant cluster information. This was the dip direction, strike direction, and dip angle previously shown. If we scroll down, we can see what we had toggled on for the 2D StereoNet. And then we actually have the 2 views that were shown earlier that we essentially screenshotted. I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to find more information or videos like this, please navigate to the Strayos website, which is strayos.com. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.